Hello, my name's Amber T, and this is my personal mandala. I'm currently attending the University of Arizona, and I work as a patient education research coordinator. I currently reside in the Tucson area. Today I'm going to be talking to you about personal integration of health and promotion and risk reduction with professional qualifications, and why it is important to have these qualifications as a nurse leader. First of all, an important thing in health promotion is self and spirituality. I've incorporated a couple of my paintings because they're important to me to connect to myself and my spirituality. Spirituality is the feeling of something bigger than us. The next thing I've incorporated is loved ones. We are all interconnected. Love is the interconnection between one spirit and another. It is important to have those that we can turn to. We all come from nature. We are all of nature, and nature has a calming and healing effect. Two other things that I value for my health promotion are exercise and laughter. Professional qualifications for healing promotion and risk reduction. Personally, I believe that two of my better qualifications in this area are communication. It's important to know how to effectively communicate with a patient. You have to know what questions to ask. You have to listen to what it is that they value and what their goals are. You have to be able to speak not only to an individual, but to groups, and understand where the risks are, what it is that causes the diseases and illnesses, and what it is that you can do by listening and communicating to promote their health. And the second thing that I believe I am qualified in this area with is I am an educator. To truly be able to educate is to be able to take information that you have and the knowledge that you have, turn it around in a way that somebody else can understand it and make them passionate. In this case, we would be making them passionate about their own health and reducing all the risks that there are for illness in their health. This is my mandala, all my own personal values, with me in the center of it. We're all connected. Education is important. Communication is important. Self-care is important. All of these things work together, and the understanding of all of these work together to help as a nurse leader to promote health and reduce risk. Thank you for listening and watching.